Hey everybody, it's Mother's Day, and my mother and my dad was watching the Thunder game. That's some good friends of mine that were doing a little deal, and my wife is working. There goes a big old deer just bounced off in the trees. I don't know if you've seen that one. I'm in Lincoln, Logan County area, running some back roads after these roads. You see all the sand rock? This is what I come out for. We love running these little back roads, just kind of check them out. The county does a pretty good job of fixing them afterwards, but after 12 to 15 inches of rain over the last month, it gets away from them. So we're going to come out and run them, and sometimes there's some pretty good little challenging spots on them. So come on with me, and I'll take you on a little trip, a little back roading trip. There's a big old turtle. Better get off the road, you're going to get runned over. Good boy, good job. A red ear. Water's still running. Coming out all these sand rock formations they've got out here is we've had so much rain, there's groundwater just seeping out everywhere. So it's hard to keep a road out here. That's all sand rock way down there in the bottom. They haul so much shell in here to kind of build these roads up and get them to stay. And you really got to watch whenever it rains, because you never know whenever it's going to wash out, and you don't drive through water. If the water's flowing, chances are there's no road there. Got a little road up here I'm wanting to take y'all down. I don't know if I can get down it or not. It gets really, really muddy, and that's almost never maintained because there's just it's not a through road. It's a cut around. Locals use it. I mean, a lot of these are. We went to Arkansas and ran the Forest Service road. Some of these are a little more challenging than the Forest Service roads. And the scenery's all right. This time of year, everything just bloomed out. All your different greens, different shades of green. Of course, you got the cedar trees out here. People are supposed to cut down and keep in control, but they don't. And that's why in one of my other videos that I had, that's why you've seen so much. They're just a fire hazard. And when the fire goes through them, they look like they've got diesel poured on them. They just bust up, and they're everywhere. Okay, this is one of them that we like. I've got the front panels off the Jeep today, letting the sun come in. It's a nice, cool, breezy day. Everything's just green with all the rain we've been having. And so we're gonna take a little drive. This is a road less traveled. It's a fun little road, especially after as much rain as what we've had. Actually, the shell that they put on after the last flood last year that washed all this up down to rock, and I don't know if you can see it over in the bar dish, but the rock is just the sand rock. There we go. And this road usually falls plumb apart. They've done a pretty good job of holding it this time, but we're gonna drive down it. Whoa, not much road left here. This is our little Moab. Looks like it might get a little tough up here. A little technical. A lot of water comes down this road. It was nothing but sand rock last year. Let's see what we can do here. Like we'll take this line here. Never been here yet, but I always thought that whoa, give you an idea, you got to watch out, watch where you're going out here. You follow up in that, you're in bind. Other side, same way. And right here, I always thought if I could ever come out here while it was raining or right after a heavy rain, that's got to be a pretty cool waterfall right there. Got to be. Or not Life Lock, what is it? Life, what is it?
360.
Life 360, yeah. Okay, well, I'm back on video. I'm going on this road. Uh-oh. Don't look good. I don't think anybody's been on it since it rained.
Uh-oh.
Wish me luck. See you, brother.
Tell me if this Toyota needs to come pull you out.
Okay, well, I'll do it. Yeah, I don't think you need to, though. Be sure to run forward drive so you don't slide off in a ditch and me have to come rescue you.
Alright, we'll see you after a while.
Okay. Well, I've got Eric and Marilyn come out in their 4Runner and they're going to run around a little bit. We'll see. She's got a road she wants to show me. I think it might be the one we've already been on, but it's always better when you got two. When you got a crowd. Oh, little rocky. Like somebody lost a fender. Somebody lost a fender. Yeehaw. Okay, well we're gonna crawl down this little sand rock road. Boy. Oh, okay. Oh, there we go. Oh, let's take the hard route. Receiver. Here we go. Making our way up. Gotta watch the logs. Looks like a few trees have fallen down. The wind. Down that red dirt road. Yeah, I don't know if anybody knows it, but this is Luther Road, the Lincoln-Logan County line. This happens to be Booger Rez. This is a bar that was from years back that, yeah, Booger Rez. It was out here, it was well known everywhere. Everybody came to Booger Rez. They had a hell of a time finding it. But the people that knew where it was would always come out and have a beer with burger. Ooh, that didn't sound right, does it? Whoa, don't fall off in that. What are you thinking?
Going first or me?
I'll go first.
All right.
You keep up with that?
Oh yeah.
Hopefully you're getting this. Hopefully the sun's not in your eyes. A little different. Oh. That was fun, wasn't it?
Wasn't bad at all.
No, but it was fun.
I don't know where else to go. Right.
Oh,
Well,
dang.
we saw you turn around and come back.
Yeah. Boy, this is a washout, isn't it? Look here. That's why you don't
There's a hole. There's a hole there.
pay attention in Lincoln County when you're driving these county. I'm telling you, people.
I can't believe
Well, I didn't make it. I made it. I'm going. Oh, no, dang, there's another mess of something here.
Nothing too bad.
These old Sand Rock Hills are still putting water out, ain't they?
Yeah.
Yep. Good time. Come out here to Lincoln County and run the county roads. And just all the cattle grazing out there. Man, the grass is just going crazy with all the rain we had last month. I hope it's still that way in mid-July to early August. We're gonna zip on back to the man cave at Eric Merlin's and probably wrap up the video for today. Thank you guys for watching. If you like my video, like and subscribe. I'm trying to get a little more content out there. I'm still learning. Thank you guys for coming with me. Thanks for Eric and Merlin for coming out and running a few roads with me. We'll see you again, and I'll take it with you next time.